So for the pen clip, you're going to dimension the pen clip. It's going to introduce different things that you're going to have to dimension that maybe you didn't have before. We've mostly been dimensioning linear shapes. So going from design into drawing, from design, that'll be selected. It should be the only part. If you do have it in the assembly, you can go from there too. You just have to select that, and then you'll pick select. And because you'll only want the one piece rather than the whole thing, I usually choose size A paper, so if we want, we can print it. There's 2 A papers depending on the orientation. It doesn't really matter too much which one you do. 3 views. We'll figure out our first view first. If I don't like this view, like maybe I want to show that like L shape rather than that whole thing, you can double click it and choose a different orientation. I'll keep this one for now. I'll do my projected views from here, there, there, and then there. So these are my projected views, the orthographic projections there, and then right here is my isometric. I'm just going to make that solid just so it's the preview of the object. Now if you're dimensioning, I'm just hitting D on the keyboard. Some shapes, like I can't select always, like I can't select maybe right in the middle of something, but do the best you can to get what information somebody might need to recreate that. So maybe that line segment, that line segment. If you have a circle, it'll give you the diameter. If you have an arch, it'll give you the radius. Just use these 3 drawings to do these 3 views are where you're doing the dimensioning, and then this one is not dimensioned at all. So you should have all the dimensions that you would need to recreate this. Having gone through and actually drawn it from measurements that you did, you should have an idea, a better idea this time around, about what types of things need dimensions. Now I'll also say we never dimensioned to hidden lines, so don't try to dimension if you do have hidden lines somewhere. You don't want to dimension to those. So that's what I'm going to ask you to do for the pen clip.